Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Kava here, coming at you from Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso. One of the great travel destinations, vacation spots. That's of course a bit of dry sarcastic humor. Anyway, today I am here to talk about Kava Mama, Fijian, Uasivi, micronized Kava. Sorry, yes, micronized Kava. No, I'm sorry. This is instant Kava. This is green. This is fresh Kava prepared in Fiji that is then dehydrated into an instant Kava. This is not micronized Kava. Even though it says micronized Kava, I know it's not micronized Kava. So anyways, I love traveling with instant Kavas because they're so easy to make. You simply mix them with water and then throw them back. There's no need for a sieve. There's no need for a big bowl. There's no need to make a big mess in the kitchen or bathroom or wherever you're making your kava. and this is one that I've always enjoyed. So I'm looking forward to going down to the pool side and making some up right now. Bula to the hula. Well, it's early February and it's about 90 degrees here in Ouagadougou, and frankly, it's a bit of a refreshing twist to the winter for me. I was suffering in the icy corridors of the northeast of the U.S. Before I came out here, and the vitamin D has given me a good buzz. And anyway, let's get to it. To the hula. Well, I've always said that I prefer traditionally prepped kava in terms of the taste, because instant kava, even if it's the best in the world, it still has this kind of astringent drying out quality. But you know, I'm not complaining in the slightest. In terms of being able to just put something in your bag, take it to the beach or the poolside or whatever, and mix it with water, you really couldn't ask for more. And no exception here. I've always loved this one. Anyway, I'm gonna keep chilling. I might move around a little bit. There's a soccer game on TV that I want to watch, so I might take this over to the bar where everybody else is boozing it up, and I'll do the opposite with some relaxing instant kava root. Lula. Glass number one was muy bien. Today bien. It was very good. Soaking up that sun, loving it. Let's keep it going, Kava sewer. More Kava. There's a cashew tree. These are the cashew fruits. And here's a mango tree, but the mangoes are out of season. Kava sewer with a orchard lesson. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I had a few glasses of this instant kava down by the poolside, and then I came back up to my room and I took a really long, nice nap with some soccer or football on the television. And now I'm just enjoying one more here before the sun goes down. It's about 5 p.m. or 5:30 p.m. or something. When you're near the equator, the sun always goes down like around the same time all year. So to the hula, we must bula. What's awesome is like this kava, when I drank it by the pool, got nice and relaxed, took that nap. I've had like a no appetite, so I just ate some pistachios and pumpkin seeds for my lunch, and then drink some water. Did a little light reading, and I'm just gonna have this kava and probably do a little bit more reading, eat some more pistachios, and go to sleep. This is, I would say, of all the instant kavas on the market right now, this is easily my favorite one. And I've tried all of them. But this one, in terms of like what you get per spoonful, you're not going to beat it. It's absolutely fantastic. So give it a shot. Kava Mama. That's Angie. She's an awesome woman, does a lot of awesome things for people in her community and for the Kava world. So Kava Mama, Fiji, Uasivi, I think it's called, instant. Tell her you sent me. Bula to the hula.